Door. Got a whole bunch of people here. Met a whole bunch of new people. A bunch of nice people, actually. And he's going to be filming up in a tree somewhere. And so we got some campers and Tim T, Wynette, Pam, and James and I. We're about to go out. Hi guys, how are you doing? We're about to go out. Okay, we're going. Doing a little bit of filming here, and we're going. And then we got our little camper friends over here, and his cool little setup. Oh, I ducked him, by the way. Yep, I ducked him.
147.
Okay.
Oh wow, they got on there.
You guys have a good time. Have a good time.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Find a good spot. Those look nice.
Okay, that's my next investment. But to see where I go, I just can't. There's just not a lot of places to go with them.
Well, like in the green.
Oh, Tim T is leading us out with Pam to a spot that they found last night. And we are going to be sitting in that area tonight because we are doing something in the corridor that's never been done.
Yeah,
That's horse here. Yeah, this is a horse track. This is probably a horse
that's
tail.
horsehair.
You can see. Yeah.
See how the coloration
Yep.
and the string.
Yeah. I just noticed it. How to get there? Yeah, they
Well,
go.
I know that. I guess
How to get there? Don't know how I got there, but it's there. Oh, that's so good.
Because it was really quiet. It didn't sound like a hog moving around.
Oh, that's so good. I hope we. Oh, look, it is swampy in there, huh?
It is, yeah.
Well, see, I've never ever been to this area, nor even close to this area, so I am totally out of my realm. But it is so nice here. I don't know. Is mine in my backpack? Mine might be in my backpack. Oh, I don't know where mine is. Oh no, it's not, because I have bug spray. This is nice, huh?
Isn't it nice?
Feeling anything, James?
That area up there is drawing my attention for some reason.
That's where Alec and them went. They all went back in there. Look at that.
I know. Well, a couple of us are being drawn to an area straight across there, like right there. And Tim T's gonna lead us the way over there. A lot of hog. Old hog ruts. Everybody be careful.
Big boys here too.
Yeah, see, I don't have this in my area. I'm not used to all this hog stuff. But I really feel something over there. James, look, a little flower. A little yellow one. Yeah, mosquitoes are bad back here, but we're making it back to the area where James was seeing something moving, and I felt this was a good area. I didn't see anything, but I felt like, and look at this. This is totally hog heaven right here. Wanted a workout? This is a place to come. Oh my gosh. We're walking out to the night sit. We're going to be sitting. We got a bunch of researchers and film people here, and we're going to all sit, and someone's going to walk up the middle maybe. And I'm walking out to a spot. I'm loaded down with all my stuff. Tim T and Pam is ahead of me, and James, he's back at camp. He's going to hang out there, and we'll see what happens. We found a possible print here, walking out to a spot right here. So it goes like that and around. It's pretty deep. Been there a couple days, but as you see, it's also, there's a path right here going right up. So it's very possible that's a good print. All right. Here we are in our spot for the night. It's not quite dark yet, but it's getting there. We got the meter going. Could do a little scan here in a minute once I get organized. Whoa,
Yeah, those are orbs.
Yeah, those are pretty cool.
Wow.
that was a
That was
bug.
a bug.
You can wear
Yeah.
these for
I
a
saw
little
that
while.
bug go in front of your camera.
Oh, and there's a plane in the background. That's a plane in the background way over there,
Yeah,
up in the
yeah.
sky. Oh, do you see those little eyes? You see that little right there popped in a couple of little.
That's neat.
Those are orbs, yeah. There's no bugs flying in front of the
You
camera.
don't see any?
No.
That's me on all the
A
equipment.
couple
that's
bugs I do
filming.
see
I
That-
going across. You
yep,
can see
yep.
them on
You
there.
can see the
bugs.
difference between the orbs. They're
Sure
perfectly
is.
round,
Yeah.
and they're coming up from the and it's not windy.
No, it's not. No, there's no wind.
There's no wind. Let's see if we move it. Let's see what happens. They're fast too.
Yeah.
They're like a speeding bullet.
Yeah.
Let's see if they're going to Pam.
Look, it's like it's all misty.
Oh, but wait, back there, yeah.
Uh-huh.
But you don't think that's the orbs?
No.
No, no.
No. No, I don't think so.
Yeah, no, because fog wouldn't be like that. But man, this must be. Do you think it's a portal? Look at that.
No, it's
What I got here is a thermometer. We're gonna put it out, and I got the other one here. So we're gonna put it out and see if there's a fluctuation of degrees. Whippoorwill.
No, it was right at the left, right at the left. Okay, so then we need to keep an eye out. So we might be in a dang good area. It's right in there.
Yeah, thermometer out, and we're at. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's at 77.9. We'll see if there's any fluctuation. 78. So we'll see if this goes up or down in any direction. Temperature.
It might be that.
All right, we got an owl going on. Battery. Well, we'll try this again. Bring it to the river. I don't know how good you can see it. You can't. You really can't. Too dark. Look at this. Come here.
I see it.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's going on here. It's not windy. We're not smoking. That was a bug, I promise you. But that other was a whole bunch of... Those are bugs. There's a lot of bugs. But there's some things that aren't bugs. This is where we're sitting, so there's a path there. There's a path there. And there's a path behind us. And Pam is watching that path. And we're watching together that path and that path. 10T. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. See it? There it is. Look at this. Look at this. Look, look, look.
Nice.
Look, look. Ha!
Yeah.
I don't see anything down there in front of me. I don't know what the heck. I mean, I'm looking. Oh my God, that was a bug. That was a bug.
That was a bug.
That was a bug. I'm looking down below, like where it's happening, and I'm not seeing
Pretty cool.
nothing. Oh, there it goes again. Oh my gosh. We need the meter up here. Oh my God, look at that. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh my.
I have
Look,
no idea.
one hand here, and oh, sorry, and one hand here. We're not, we. Whoa!
No, no.
Look at that. That was a bug. That was a bug. Or it could have been amber or bug. Look at that. Oh my God. Where's Tim T? He has to see this. Well, we're having a great time though this weekend. Like, I'm meeting so many nice people.
Great new friends.
Great new friends, you know, and we're talking about how each other researches and this and that, and everybody's so understanding.
Different states.
Oh, there we go again. Look at this. Right in front of me. What is earth is going on here?
That is so weird.
We need the meter, like, right now, this minute. I have to go get it. Oh my God. Listen. Listen, something's out there. I hear click, click. What is that? That's ecto. That's ecto. It has to be ecto. It's shifting. I heard a click, click, snap, snap type of thing. It's right in front. I don't know what all that is, but here we're not. I'm sitting in a chair. I'm not even moving. We're gonna walk on out. We heard a couple things from the distance. We don't know what it was. We did have a nice crack right behind me, like crack, like that was nice. And we had a good night. We're gonna head back in. Thanks for watching. It'll be Saturday morning here, and we're gonna go on a little walk with Tim and Pam and James. But there's a lot of hogs in here too. Yeah, this is nice in here. Oh, what was that? Oh, that was a squirrel.
Here, girl, get some spray on first.
Okay.
I like it up here.
Nice trees.
Look at that tree.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, I need a picture of that.
Oh, that is pretty, that one.
That's
Yeah.
a beautiful tree.
Well, let's see what we got.
See that triton right there? That tree, the big tree going up, and there's a little one coming off of it, right over the trail.
Nice.
Oh, little vine there.
See how big that opening is over there.
Getting a little marker here. Got a little trident at the bottom. And then it goes up to that break. And you got another break up on that one. A little break over here. So this is interesting. And then you got this one that's laying over there. Yeah, pretty neat.
See that X over there?
You got this arch here. And it is pinned down in there. All that brush. It's nice here. Where's the X? All right, where? Show me. Oh, yeah. Yep.
That's what I mean. They would see that too, like I just did, because they know what to look for.
Mm-hmm. Or that tree, not the trunk, but the tree. Right there. That'd be nice. Something's living in it anyway. We're hearing a couple of snaps and something back there sounded like something hit a palm frond. Like smacked a palm frond. That one sounded like a smack of a palm frond. Yeah, the first sound came from in here. And that was a snap.
Yeah, that was loud.
A lot of times people think stuff happens on the night. Well, there's a lot of stuff that happens in the day. You know, they're like people. If they're like people, they're up at the day and they're up at the night. So, a lot of creatures.
They plainly said no.
Tim heard it too, and James heard it. Something say no. And we're hearing noises back there.
Something said like 3 words a while ago. Like it was talking to something. And then just now I heard it say no.
So what happened was we got a really nice whistle. Pam might have caught it. She was filming. I'm not sure if Tim was filming, but I whistled and it responded. And I thought it was actually Pam, but it was not. It was not Pam.
Yep.
That's me.
That's Kathy, by the way. Okay, now listen. Was that
Yep.
it, the last
That
one?
had a whoop to the back
Okay,
of
because
it.
I said that's Kathy, by the way.
It was
and
a
I
whistle.
turned.
No, this was not a whoop. It was a whistle.
Okay, so
Okay.
So try it again. Let's do it again.
Okay,
Now listen. So it's a whistle, like a regular whistle.
so it'll be the
so
very
beautiful,
last
so
thing.
I'm just showing a couple shots real quick. It's so pretty. It's so nice being further south because you get the beautiful shells on the ground. I think I'm doing more hunting shells than anything. But it's beautiful in here.
No, that's all you.
That's me.
That's Kathy, by the way, if you guys hear that.
No,
Right there.
we got it.
Right
yeah.
there.
We got it.
Right there. Yeah.
That sounded kind of like a shrill whistle like I hear every
Yeah.
once in a
It was a
while.
whistle.
And
It wasn't the whistle I was
it was
doing.
different
It was
than
different.
yours.
It was way different.
Yeah, it was a lot
Different
different,
than
yeah.
It was a regular whistle. It was like a regular.
That's what I've been doing. I've been doing the
Yeah.
air suck in whistle.
Right,
that
but
they
it,
do.
yeah, but I was just trying this type of whistle for shits and giggles.
But you can tell the difference. You can tell that's not this.
And I just started trying to do that because it's louder than what I can whistle, and we got a response.
I'm going to give you that
I'm gonna
for
start
short.
doing that.
I'll give you that one, and you post
Yeah,
that
yeah.
on. Okay.
Wow,
Yeah.
that
love
was
it.
nice. That's when it happened, right? You
Oh,
were
yeah.
filming, and you
Yeah,
know
because I
exactly.
turned around and
Okay.
went, what just happened?
It was right after I did that, and it went, and I thought, now, did you turn it off right after that?
Yeah, I
Okay,
did.
that's okay. That's okay. Because I thought you did. I thought I heard it power down. But you
No, I
got,
powered it down.
you got
yeah.
the whistle first. That was cool.
Yeah.
Loved it. I thought maybe I got it. but
It
I
wasn't that
sure.
bird. It wasn't a bird like that. It was an actual whistle.
Yeah, I've actually whistled in a
Because
cow
that's
and
a bird,
answered.
and it sounds like a whistle, but that whistle was
Right.
and it was a response.
Right, I love it.
Yeah,
Deeper sound than that bird.
yeah, that was neat. That was.
That was a limb break up in there. But the first sounds came from up in there. That was really loud.
That one sounded like a smack of a palm frond.
It did, yeah, yeah. But that first sound came from in there.
Yeah, the first sound came from me.
Yeah,
And that was a smack.
yeah, that was loud.
A lot of times people think stuff happens on the night, and there's a lot of stuff that happens in the day.
Yeah,
You know, they're like people that are up at the day and they're up at the night. So
mm-hmm.
a lot of people. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it too. I heard something in there. Yeah.
You guys got any? You got anything running? Recording?
There it is again. Get right over here and see if I can see up in there any better. No, it's all about the same. This is in a place that we just call the corridor, because we've been brought in here for this big camp out and filming. Here, you got vines in the trees there. Every one of them got a mark. There's a tree.
Watch those vines, they're stuck on your leg.
I know, I feel them. Yep, I feel them. Thank you.
What's that?
Of course I come in between. Go this way.
Look, they're all stuck on my leg. You see that? Look.
Oh, right here. I'm taking them in here to show them these arches that I found that I thought were pretty interesting. I've never seen pine trees bend the way these pine trees bend in this forest. It goes behind that tree and up in front of that one. That's crazy. I don't know if this is it, Pam. No, because I don't see the other little arches. So this is another arch. All right. Oh, and see, there's another bend over there. See that tree over there? Mm-hmm. That one. Yeah. You got that X right there. You got this arch right here. And that arch is pinned down too. And then there's beautiful, I love these trees in here.
So beautiful. Look how they bend. Isn't that weird?
Yeah, it is weird. Got this over here. See, there's the X right here, and there's the arch on the other side of it right there.
That's why.
What?
This is their vantage point.
I know, this is where we should have been here last night.
See, that's what I was showing him, how the trees are laying over
Yep.
on each side. It would. I tell him it would lead us to a major marker. Well, there it is. And it's right here at the camp.
Yeah, at the camp. And here's your little arch right here.
Look at all these little things.
Marker, I'm going to check it out. here in the corridor. We're gonna look at this. We got a break right here. As a matter of fact, I'm checking something out. I'm gonna see if this is in the ground. Let's see. It is. This was stuck in the ground that deep. Wow, that was stuck in the ground. That was stuck in there. And I broke it. And we got this break here. And we got this. That's what I'm going for. Got that arch right there. And it's pinned down. Look at the cool looking tree right there. But look at this. Got a path. It's leading right up to it. And you got a double arch. And you have the X in the palm tree. Look at that. Look at that. That's pretty neat there. And that's twisted in there too. Wow, wow, look at this. Oh man, look at this. 3 arches, boom, boom, boom. And this big, huge trail that goes under that. Oh boy. Oh wow. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Arch from that direction there. I'm gonna come look at this. Look at this. Huh? Like a big wide path, man. The funny thing is, camp is right there. We're just going behind here. So I've been last night right here. Look at this. Triple arch. Boom. And there's a 4th one, 5th one. Yeah, this is nice in here. Huh? Look at this. Triple arch. Never seen pine trees do the way they do here. I mean, they don't do this in the Ocala National Forest. I'm just saying they don't bend like this. Curving all over the place. I don't know if it's because of water did it. Roots in the water. I don't know. But it's awfully strange. This is a nice area too. Break. Right there is a break. And you have another break right here. Right there. And you got a little arch behind it. This is really nice. Look at these trees. I've never seen anything like this where they're curved. I just don't get it. I've never seen that.
In the water.
Uh-huh.
Look at the one down there. It's all white.
Where am I looking? Oh yeah, that one right there.
Yeah, yeah.
That one right there, yeah.
They're walking that way. See the toes?
Yeah.
On the hill?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Good.
That one's coming this way. They're coming
Yeah, that's
back
going
here.
that way.
That's what they're doing. They're going in and out here because they know we come in on the road.
So that's pretty good in the water like that.
Yeah, that one.
Look.
James noticed some footprints in the water. That one. Interesting. So look, this is where I could have took the first step right there. Maybe. Big trash mess over here. The wind started blowing. We're out in the forest. Now we're cleaning up trash in our own camp. Look at this. I come in here. I saw this last night. And oh yeah. I wanted to check out this area here. I know it's a bunch of pigs been in here. But I wonder. Yeah. It's just this tree going straight across like that and right through. Oh, goodness. Yeah, that's neat. This is an interesting area here with all these limbs going right straight across, like laid in there.
This is the poop. See all the limbs?
Yep,
Right there is a clear,
yep.
big round pool. Yep, this is the poop spot. There's a trail leading down this trail too. This one here's thick. It's all wet halfway up and it's dry.
What kind of impression that is? That's pretty neat. Noticing is an impression here, an impression here, an impression up there. I don't know if you can see that one. And a trident leading up to that too, right there. I like this because this goes up, around, clipped in over there, bending this one, bringing it down. So this is pretty neat. Little marker. That pig root. Pig. Oink, oink, oink. It's still a nice area for any wildlife. Well, should have been the spot to sit last night. No, we had good action where we did sit. Look at this branch leaned up against that, right in between that other one. I don't have boots on, but I try. That one is wedged in. This right here is wedged in right there. That tree. Looking for impressions. Could be possibly an old one here. Oh, look at that. Macro, could be macro. Probably is. This is just neat because there's a lot of interesting things with these right here appear to be being placed all the way and stuffed in here like that and stuffed in there all the way. That's pretty cool. Neat area. Another stick here stuck in the ground. Let's see if it is stuck in the ground. That answers that. Oh boy. Yep, that's what that is. Stuck in the ground. Stuck that far. That's 3 today, I think. Another one stuck in the ground.
Yep. There was another one right back up there.